So the first thing I'm going to do is design both of the pendants on Fusion 360. After I finished that, I put them into Cheeto Box and then sent them to print on my Elegoo Mars resin printer with white liquid resin. I'm going to start with the diamonds, and as you can see, they came out pretty rough, so I'm going to sand them down a bit until they look better. Next, I sprayed primer on them, but they still looked a bit bumpy and rough at parts, so I'm going to sand them again to try to make them even more smooth. So now I just sprayed them with silver metallic paint to finish them, and I'm going to start with the jacks, which came out a little bit rough, but it's not too bad, but I'm still going to sand them and file them to have them look smooth. After that, I sprayed primer on them, and after that finished drying, I painted them with the same silver metallic paint. So now I got this chain that also came with the one that I used to make her J necklace in my previous video, but it came really long originally, so I cut it to be the right size, and I'm going to add the little loop at the end and the little hook thing so that it can be worn, and then attach all of the pendants I made to it so that it can be finished.